Kenless daw ang new music video ng SB19 na Lawless. So a lot of 18s fans and critics got a bit worried kasi kukonti lang yung screen time ni Ken or Philippe sa new music video nila and halos 6 seconds lang yung line niya. So a lot of 18 gave their own interpretation kung bakit ganito. Kasi a lot of people are syempre sanay that they are doing their dance breaks together and itong music video nga nila na Lawless, kokonti lang yung role ni Ken according to them at nasa loob lang siya ng TV at may hawak siyang rooster. So, I think that the design and the concept of Lawless was really intentional. Talagang sinadya nila na ganun yung design because the concept nga of the song and the meaning of the song is breaking the norms, rules, and boundaries. And since sanay nga tayo na mapanood sila always dancing together or always being together, they added this twist. At madami yung nakapansin at na-bother. And I guess that's the whole point of it. It's breaking the norms. Sabi nga ng isang 18, it is all about creative liberation and freedom. And hindi siya dapat view as something na negative or dahil dito ay magsiseparate na yung SB19 members or magsosolo na si Ken at magiging Philip na lang siya. Kasi marami ring mga tao yung takot na actually mag-disband ang SB19. Even more so that ang dami-dami na nilang milestones sa career nila. So, palagay ko, SB19 is really more about encouraging people to open their mind. And actually, someone broke it down nga, nakita ko yung interpretation niya, kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng Lawless na music video. So, sabi niya, Ken, feeling niya, yung hinahawakan niya yung manok, or rooster could symbolize the missing and forgotten. Kasi alam naman natin na may controversial issue about the missing and forgotten. So alam niyo na kung anong issue yun. Then feeling niya yung happy birthday sign naman is to symbolize yung stolen innocence and childhood of people who experience violence. So yun yung interpretation niya dun sa happy birthday sign na nandoon sa music video. While yung Stel licking the phone is about those who overly consume information online and lose their human connection. While yung cake naman ni Josh could be feeding others or taking control of other people's resources. While yung phone naman na symbolism is about cutting communication and whoever is controlling the narrative. And then the imagery of the goat, which could be yung goat na eating grass or Pablo eating grass, could mean a lawless society who reduce human beings at nawawalan sila ng dignity and they're just forced to survive. So yun yung malalim na interpretation niya. So of course that's her own interpretation. I don't really know who posted this kasi ang dami nang nag-repost, but whoever you are, congratulations, ang galing ng idea na naisip mo, no? Malalim. And actually, marami kang madideduce na philosophical ideas and perspective. Kasi, malalim talaga mag-isip tong SB19 na to, no? Marami silang, yung SB19 members na to, ang kukulit at pinag-iisipan talaga, binibreakdown talaga nila yung mga songs and visuals and symbolisms na nilalabas nila. And that's what sets them apart. Makikita mo na pinag-iisipan yung mga concepts nila. They just don't copy. Hindi sila yung, ilabas natin to, gayahin natin to, kasi this is the formula that works. They always make sure na while they also get inspiration from other international acts, they make sure na meron talaga yung identity at sarili nilang mga ideas inside it. So that's why they really make it work, and yung vision nila triggers and opens the minds of the audience and not just the Filipino. So I do think that, of course, some of the members of SB19 are not always, alam mo yun, I don't think na lagi silang unified, or I don't think na wala silang mga internal struggles as a group. For sure, meron din silang mga creative differences and may mga misunderstandings din sila. And for sure, at some point, nag-away-away din yung mga members ng SB19. But what is great about them is that they are able to reconcile their differences at naisasantabi nila yon to naaayos nila anumang gulo nila, and they are able to make their relationship work as a group. Kaya ando dito pa rin sila. And nakikita naman natin that each of the members have the ability to produce their own solo singles, solo concerts, like only recently si Pablo sa The Middle, when he was also able to worship the Lord Jesus Christ through his songs. So, si Philip naman, may sarili din siyang project, as well as Justin and Josh and Stel. So, they don't hinder each other from expressing themselves. So, I think at this point, they understand na mas malakas sila as a group. And while each one of them is really equally talented at kaya din naman nilang sumikat on their own, it just really feels better and more powerful kapag lima sila. And it's good that they were able to overcome the need to compete with the success of one another. And matagal na sila magkakasama. So, they have weathered the storm and they are all immensely talented. So, alam mo yon, naiintindihan na nila that while they can each reach a good milestone sa career nila, iba rin pag cohesive sila at iisa lang yung goal nila, which is unified, and which is to elevate the creative industry, creative arts in the Philippines. At alam mo yon, fans, especially 18s, should really be thankful na alam mo yon, for the brilliant music that they provide and the message they give. Pero at the same time, alam mo yon, hindi biro to be SB19 members because they are carving a path actually for a lot of us na creative. So there's an extreme pressure. And so we have to pray for them that they will be able to withstand the pressures of society and the enemy as a whole. And overall, sa totoo lang, alam mo yun, continue supporting them any way we can. So, yung Lawless, I really like it. I prefer it than Emoji, obviously. So, ang lakas ng LSS syndrome ng Lawless, and I like also the way they performed it in Lollapalooza. And while of course nasanay pa rin ako sa mga beats ng Gento, pero alam mo what I like about Lawless is that it really expresses who they are. And while the music video is a bit controversial, it is them, and it contains so much heart and personality and originality. So I like it, and I applaud them for it. So thank you for listening in my vlog, and to Jesus Christ be the glory. God bless.